Okay, guys, let's continue to take notes while Georgia and Timur present. You just control with the arrows forwards and backwards.
Can I start?
Sure.
So our presentation is based on the second goal of the Millennium Development Goals. First of all, we have to know what is the Millennium Development Goals, which is a meeting held in September 2000 between countries belonging to the Organization of the United Nations who have decided to pursue projects to help poor countries. One of the goals was to bring primary education in developing countries.
The biggest problem is that lots of children in the developing countries don't have even a primary education. They don't know how to read and count more than 100. 100 million children have such a problem. It's mostly appears in the African or Asian countries.
These two images show what are the areas in which there is a higher level of illiteracy. Those areas are sub-Saharan Africa and Asia and South America.
What technology would have invented to help solve the problem? The best way to solve this problem, in our opinion, is the internet, because you can have you need only one computer to educate a big group of students and one link to the internet. It won't cost so much money as building a new school campus or hiring teachers. So the internet, you can find the internet access from almost any point of the world. Where is this word? Yeah, when you can find one of these flying things. Okay, never mind. Skip it.
One of the system that
Yeah,
could help to solve this problem could be the e-learning that uses the technology of internet. The learning is already used successfully in many developed countries like United States, Britain, and Northern Europe. And it's also being tested in some developing countries, but with some difficulties. What is need to use this technology? A network connection and a computer. But there are some problems that are arising, like the costs and the availability of the internet. Some examples of the solution are one in Kenya, that it has been developed a solution called modem-like device, which guarantees the use of the internet even in the absence of current for about 8 hours, using the device called Brick. And another example is Microsoft, that is like investigating the use of television frequencies to spread the internet, reducing in this way the use of electricity.
What are the examples of the use of e-learning in developing countries? In Africa, they use a virtual university system that allows the African students to study in their hometowns in the other universities of the world, and that like American diploma and such stuff. University of Free State. It's such example. It's a university when they study, they almost don't have a library, but they use the computers to study. At São Paulo's the Bombero in Congo.
And in the picture, it's shown the computer lab of the São Paulo High School, which was realized thanks to University of Milan. Yeah. Why do we have to bring primary education around the world? Those are some reasons, like for example, progress, freedom, know how to avoid health risks, better job and living conditions, fight poverty and inequality, education and training are the most powerful tools that you can use to change the world. Yeah. That's it.
Any questions?
Just like what you have mentioned about education. It's just not like it's really easy to get access to food that is actually I don't think that it's if African people they don't have enough money to get food.
Yeah, that's why there are like some.
There is the problems with this, but I would say